In this video, we present the Application Command Center of the Palo Alto Network's next generation firewall. The Application Command Center, or ACC, provides an easy and powerful way to assess current network and application usage, risk, URL filtering, threat prevention, and data filtering policies. To recap from our previous video, Palo Alto Network's firewall is unique in the industry, having the ability to directly identify and control users, applications, and content rather than just ports, IP addresses, and packets. Not only are applications identified, but a risk value is assigned to each application as well. The ACC risk factor is a representation of the relative risk of the traffic based on the applications going across the network and associated risk score. Values are from 1 to 5, with higher numbers indicating higher risk. The applications section shows the most used applications, along with their risk value, number of sessions, total bytes, and threats detected. For each application, we can also drill down in additional detail to display details about that application, top sources by both IP address and also by user, for which we can drill down to get additional detail, as well as pull up the actual URL filtering log for that user and that range to drill in specific detail. The URL filtering section works much the same way, showing the top categories currently being seen by the unit, for which we can drill down to get additional detail. Categorization of applications, sources, destinations, destination countries, as well as security and zone rules being used by the firewall itself. For each of these, we can drill down to look at specific traffic, in addition, threat prevention works much the same way, showing threats that have been detected by the system within the time frame, information about each one. For example, we can pull up this page, which shows botnet traffic associated with the Mariposa botnet. Take a look at where the attacks are coming from, local machines that may be affected by this. This also allows them the ability to take a look at the actual network traffic log, and drill down as necessary. The data filtering category shows any data filtering policies that have been enabled on the system and particular cases that match these particular cases, for which we can drill down again as necessary to see specific details. For each item in the Application Command Center, we can also specify the time frame to examine, sort criteria, and number of items to display. This concludes the overview of the Palo Alto Network's Application Command Center. In the next video, we will discuss monitoring and reporting.